Oh yeah, and don't forget to click the bell.
Yes, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, subscribe. That's a gift for my mom. Subscribe to the channel. Happy birthday, cool. I hope you enjoy this video. Love you. So today is my mommy birthday, and I just want to wish her a happy birthday and long life and prosperity, and just want big up today. So I'm just gonna do something different and unusual. You know, me always write some long epistle and do pictures and do videos, but this video is gonna be epic, different, something that will put a smile to your face. So I hope you enjoy it. Myself and everyone want to wish you a happy birthday. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to random houses, knock them up, I don't care if they're sleeping, and tell them to wish you a happy birthday. So let's go. So first we're gonna go that way. So we're going to our neighbor's house. Hello. You're up early. Alright, so may I do one video, right? Cause today a cool birthday. My mother's birthday. So I want everybody to wish her happy birthday. So where's Marvin? Yeah, everybody come and wish her happy birthday.
Yeah, she said today I cook.
Yeah, you go tell her that's why we come over here. We go video you, yes, to the camera.
The camera is on you.
We are gonna put that in the video and we are put it in there. Just yeah, put it in there, make it nice.
What you want to do with that video? No,
Anything that speak for your heart, you know, it don't matter. It's just, it's not no good like.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Hope you're fine and nice, you know. Just giving a happy birthday to you, and I hope you enjoy it and enjoy yourself to the most quietest way and peaceful way you can, you know. And we always will remember you. Marvin, love you. Bye.
Well, cool. You know, Sanya. Well, today is your day. Don't let anyone disturb you. Enjoy your day to the fullest. And I hope you go out, eat as much as you can. If you have to go to the beach, you go to the beach and you swim and you enjoy yourself. Anything that is enjoyable to you and peaceful to you, that would make you happy on this day. So I hope you live to see many more.
Chelsea, yeah, say anything.
Just say it, just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pooh.
Say bye.
Wish
Say
you
bye.
many more.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so that was one neighbor, and going to somebody else. I'm not care them asleep, but I go wake them up, right? Right, Yana?
Yeah.
I go wake them up. We're unruly today. So I just hope you enjoy this gesture, and I hope it brings joy to you. So yeah. Oh, you're cute, sir. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Action.
Happy birthday, Latoya Mom. Hope you see many more. What may I say?
What you have to say? What you have to say? You always are talking on. Lady.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And I hope you get to see many more.
Yay!
And I hope you get a lot of presents.
Alright, thanks.
Birthday, Auntie. I hope you get to see many more. You're the angel. You're a diamond. So I hope today you have a good day, a blessed birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day today, okay? So happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie Cool. Happy birthday. Vanessa and I are sorry that we're not there to enjoy your birthday with you, but I wish you all the best and many more to come. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Cool. Hope you live to see many more. And God's richest blessing on you. May God continue to bless you, guide you, protect you, cover you, and love you. Thanks for being a blessing in disguise, and I wish you many birthdays. Have a blessed day.
One time for the birthday girl, two times for the birthday, oh no, lady. Happy birthday, Cool. Cooler than the rest, nobody can contest. Happy birthday to you. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Long life, good health, prosperity, and a blessing in abundance. You know, so this year 2020, double trouble. I wish you all the best for this year, and I wish that everything that your heart desire will be granted by the Most High God. We have yet to meet, so make sure that when you come to Jamaica, you know, we get to meet up. I've heard so much about you, the phenomenal woman that you are, and I pray that you will have an extraordinary year this year and the other years to come. Happy birthday, Cool, for true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Janice. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have whatever your heart desire for 2020 and beyond. You are 1 year wiser, 1 year cooler. You get it? AKA cool. Yeah, happy birthday. I hope you do have a blast. I hope you do have a day filled with fun, laughter, and yeah, all of the good things them. Yeah, happy birthday again. Hope you live to see many more. Mwah.
Hi, Cool. Happy birthday to you, my precious. Hope your day may be filled with lots of love, joy, peace, happiness, hugs and kisses. I don't know if after I leave work I can come to the party, but I will try. Do have yourself a fantastic day. Bye.
Hi Janice, aka Mommy. Wishing you a happy birthday. May this year be filled with blessings and prosperity in abundance. Love you. Hope you visit Jamaica soon so you can see me again. Okay? Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nana. Say happy birthday.
Shook them up and say, shut up, shut up, chat too much. Who God bless, no man curse. See them, one more year on the book again. Them not gonna let me say we broke again. We got the rings now, so we not stuck again. Let's see what mine out and look again. Some hard work we put in, and never block the door, never want me to put in, but what did it? I feel it. No one can try to take what I feel it. Hey. So big up, big up, and all out not forget big up, chuck off. Yeah. And we talk that quick and serious.
Happy birthday, sis. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, and I hope you have an excellent day, alright? Even though we don't see eye to eye more while, you're my big sister, you know, me still love you, don't it? So, happy birthday. Have a great one, alright?
Happy birthday, Miss Cool. Keep it cool. May God bless you. See you many more. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cool. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cool.
AKA cool. After you're not fool, yeah. Big up on your strong, don't know. So the thing go. If I an ice cream, a Ringo. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a lovely day. Big up yourself. Big up your head side. And bare things. You don't know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jenna. Cool. You're not fool. Happy birthday to you.
Greetings from across the world to Janice. Make sure when you pray on your knees. Yeah, it's your birthday and I'm sending love. I'm sending you a shout out. Ensure that you have a happy day. May nothing stop you from enjoying your day. It's your boy DJ Sticker from straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. And I'm saying one time, enjoy your day, mommy. Whatever it is. Blessings and love to you. Love you. Mwah. Check it out, yo. One time.
Hello, mommy. How are you doing, Madam Janice? God bless you. God bless you. Today is a wonderful day. Today is a day that you will rejoice and be glad in it. You know, today is one of the best days of your life right now. And you know, and the whole family. Happy birthday to you, Janice. This is Lucas Music from out of Jamaica. Not from here. Yee! Playtime is over. Just continue being a loving mother. You're a passionate mother about God, and just continue doing your thing for the whole family, you know. Big up mommy, Nuff Love. Happy birthday to you, mommy. Hey, jump out the whip in a nip. Wow, taking the lead by the grip. Wow, I got the drip with the whip. Adding some Jesus in this. Wow. Happy birthday, mommy. Janice, bless up.
Hello. Hi, we are now in Portland at Blue Lagoon. Michelle and Maria.
And the rough captain named T.
And the cat.
The rough captain named T. And the right known as Ryder.
Ryder! Big up yourself, Ryder! Yeah. And I'm a bit scared of water, but at the end of the day, Michelle.
My name is Steve. These are the Blue Lagoon villas for rent. To rent one's villas, you pay like from $650 US, goes up to $2,000 per night. And you have a waiter, you have a chef, and you have a helper.
Wow! Isn't this live? Shout out live! Mary! Come on, Jenny, live!
Live!
Bear, you're in England. And it's cold there. And we're in the sunshine.
Are you jealous?
We're in the sunshine.
Yeah.
We're in the sunshine.
We are in Jamaica.
We are in Jamaica. Yeah. And we are rafting at the Blue Lagoon. Hey. From foot.
You can swim?
No.
Alright, so that was just a short video just to send a lot of joy your way, to wish you happy birthday, you know, from our neighbors and families and friends, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you're watching and you want to wish my mom a happy birthday, hit her up in the comments down below, tell her happy birthday, send her a nice quote, or you know, say something nice to her. So Janice, aka Cool, aka my mother, happy birthday, and thank you for all that you have done for me, all the sacrifices that you have made. And I just pray that God will continue to bless you, keep you, guide you, and enlarge your territory. And I also pray that this year will be the year of abundance, you know, favor, blessings, you know, everything. We pray to God just open up the windows of heaven and pour out blessings upon you, and everything that the conqueror and the caterpillar and the palmer have stolen, I declare that God is going to restore it. So today is your day. Don't let no one steal your joy. Don't let nobody, you know, stir up your mood or the anger. And remember, after your day, if you want to cry, you cry. Look back on the past and look where God take you from, and you know where you were. You're not there anymore, and you know, press towards the future. I know it is challenging times all around, but in God we can smile at the star, and we can rest assured that He is with us in everything that we do. So be blessed, stay blessed, and you're looking younger than ever. Yeah. And guys, please don't come at me. Yes, I know she looks like my sister. Yes, that is it with us. With my genes, like our genes, we get younger as we grow. So that's a blessing. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everyone who participated in this video, sending videos, sending your comments, sending your remarks. Thank you guys. And
don't forget to click the bell. And don't forget to subscribe to Nessa's World.
yeah, bye.